So I'm recording this video in response to the Bugswriter video where he asked us to show some of the cool stuff that we have been doing with our Linux distribution. And I thought that was a really nice opportunity for me to show you how I have set up this live wallpaper. So the first thing that we will need is Xwinwrap. And what Xwinwrap enables us to do is basically put any kind of application at the root of our X window session. Here they're using a GIF view to put a GIF at the root of the Xwinder session. But we're not going to be using GIF view. There are certain reasons for that. First of all, this runs on CPU. So if you do this, your CPU is going to be really high. Not that high, but it might interfere with other applications that you might be using that are also using the CPU. I was having trouble with it. The second reason is that GIFs aren't exactly videos, there are images stacked on top of each other. So even a 5 to 10 second clip that this guy is showing in this example is going to take a lot of space, which isn't ideal in my opinion. So instead of GIF view, we're going to be using MVP. Uh, so how I have set it up is basically I have a scripts folder in my home folder, and I have these three scripts here. And what these three scripts are basically doing is breaking up this entire command into three different parts. So the first script is this wallpaper wrap thing, and what it's basically doing is uh, taking this Xwinwrap command up until here and putting it here. Then the second part is basically we are pointing towards our second script, which is this one, and this is the NVP command that we are going to be using. The first two arguments that you see here basically telling it to use hardware instead of using software for encoding. So basically it's telling it to use our GPU instead of our CPU. And these other arguments basically tells it that there is going to be no way for us to interact with it or accidentally interact with it while we are using our computer for other things. And this last is basic self-explanatory. It says loop, so the video keeps looping. And the third part is this script, which is basically pointing towards the video that we want to play. So the final step would be that in our xinit.rc, which we call this xwinwrap command using the script, like I have done it. So you're gonna put all these three scripts in the scripts folder in your home directory and call the wallpaper dash wrap script in through your xinit.rc. So whenever you log in, it boots that session of MVP, and Xwinwrap will put that MVP session at the root of your X window, and you're gonna be greeted with a nice live wallpaper. So that's how I set it up, and I look forward to learning new stuff by the people that would be putting videos under the hashtag for Bugswriter. Yeah, I guess that's it. Peace.